Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you the first book in the Imperial Infantryman's Uplifting primer. So finally I got my hands on the first edition. This is also called the Black Book. So I got the chance to get one in a really nice condition right here. So for those of you who are watching my channel on a regular basis, you know that I am collecting Warhammer stuff, and the series of these books are, in my opinion, a really nice addition to any Warhammer enthusiast or collector. So the Imperial Infantryman's Uplifting Primer was the first book in the series. It was published in 2003. You can see right there. And it has 80 pages plus 16 these prayers and incantations. So if you watched my previous videos, you did see that I have shown the majority of the pages. So this is the same book as the blue one, which I have here on my table also, and this was the second edition, and they basically added a few pages. So the blue one has 96 pages regarding the Tau, and the Black Book has 80. It is bound this really nice canvas, black canvas binding. So if you are looking for the first edition, then my recommendation would be probably go on eBay and check them out there. They should be available, but keep in mind that these are the most expensive, the first edition. Currently, if you are interested in this book, they should be available to purchase the new edition, which is the Infantryman's Handbook, and these can go around $50. So, but if you have to have one of these, then you need to look around, and maybe if you don't want to pay some extremely high amounts of money, like $200-300 for it. Okay, so this was just a short video about the first edition that I finally got, and if you are interested to see all the books together, then I will also release the complete collection that so far that I have. So stay tuned for that video, probably coming soon. Okay. With that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing. Do not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also other stuff regarding my hobbies, like Warhammer and so on. Okay? Wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.